Today I will be discuss chapter 3, unit 3, project life cycle. My name is Dr. Rudresh S. I have completed diploma in mechanical engineering, bachelor of engineering in mechanical, and MTech, master of technology, and PhD, doctor of philosophy. I'll be teach today in DCET 2026 exams. See what is calling about project life cycle. See, I'll be discuss regarding of phases of project life cycle. Project life cycle consists of distinct phases, uh, several distinct phases that a project goes through from its initiation to its closure. See, project life cycle. What is calling about project life cycle? See, I am talking about one project completion of cycle. Okay, that completion of cycle. Just to look at here. Here, those phases provide a structural approach to managing the project and helps ensure the activities are well defined and progress in a systematic manner. While the specific names and number of phases may vary depending on the project management methodology being used. See here, I will describe a commonly used five phases of models. I just, this is the project life cycle. Next, I'll be go for See, phases of project life cycle, there are initiating, planning, execution, monitoring and control and closure. Totally have, there are five methods, five commonly used five methods. That one is initiation, then second one is planning, and third one execution, and fourth one monitoring and control, and fifth one is closure. See, totally you have five steps is there. First one is initiation. What is meaning by initiation? This phase make beginning of the project. Initiation means the beginning of the project. See here, just I writing here initiation. Initiation, the phase of the phase, the phases make the phases marks the beginning, the beginning, the beginning of the project of the project. See, the project objectives and goals are identified. The project, the project, the project's objectives, the project objectives and goals are identified and and feasibility, 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 and visibility, visibility of the project, of the project, of the project, visibility of the project are assessed. This space involves, this space involves, this space involves this phase involves conducting conducting primary analysis, conducting primary analysis, defining a project scope, defining a project scope, defining a project scope, comma, identifying, identifying, identifying key stakeholders, stakeholders, comma, and creating, creating a project cheater, a project cheater, a project cheater, a project charter, a project charter, or an see here planning. See in the planning, what is meaning by planning? Planning. Look at here. You have see this includes the creating. See here, it includes. It includes. It includes. It includes creating. Creating. It includes creating. Creating a detailed. A detailed. Creating detailed. Creating detailed project schedule. Project schedule. Project schedule, comma, it includes creating a detail of project schedule, identifying, 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 and allocation resources, and allocation, allocation resources, allocation resources, estimating, estimating, estimating costs, estimating costs, defining project deliverables, defining project deliverables, deliverables, and determining, and determining, determining overall, overall, determining overall approach, overall approach, risk management strategies, risk management, risk management task, risk management task, communication plans are also extra play, communication plans and communication plan, communication plan. Please look it here. What is the planning? It includes the creating detail of project schedule, identify the allocation resources, estimation cost, defining the project deliverables, and determining overall approach, risk management task, and communication plan. This is the see. This is the one of the planning. See here, this planning. Just look it here. See, planning, it includes creating a detail of project schedule, identifying and allocation resources, estimating cost, defining the project deliverables, and determining overall approach, risk management task, and communication plan. See, next I'll we go for execution. What is meaning by execution? See here, next I'll we go for execution task. See, first initiating the projects. Next, after initiating the project, you want to plan. You want to planning. Okay, once you planning, then will be execution. Execution means whatever project is there, that will be execute the project. In execution, what is meaning by execution? The project team, I just write it here in the different color. Execution means the project team, project team, project team, careers, careers, the project team careers, out, out the activities, out the activities, activities, out the activities, out the activities, defined, defined, out the activities, defined in the project plan. See, this is the execution. Okay, this execution, look at here, managing, see, monitoring and control. This is the monitoring and control. This monitoring and control, see, monitoring and control, this is space involved monitoring the project progress, tracking performance against the project plan, controlling any deviation or changes. C. Project management manager are key performance indicator, project matrix to access the project health, manage risk, address issues, make necessary adjustment to keep the project on track. See, monitoring and control. First one, the project health, the project health, the project health, manage, manage risk, manage the risk, manage the risk, address issues, ADDRESS, address issue, and make necessary, and make necessary adjustment to, adjustment to, adjustment to, necessary adjustment to keep the project, keep the project, keep the project on track, on track, comma, regular status, regular status, regular status, reports, reports and reports and project meeting are project meeting, project meeting are conducted, conducted, project meeting are conducted to keep stakeholder, keep stakeholder holders informed, informed. inform board. This is the monitoring and control. The last and least, this is the closer. The closer phase signifies end of the project. The closer phase signifies signifies the end, the end of the end of the project, the end of the project, the end of the project. See, this is the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. See, look it here. Totally having five. Phases of project life cycle. First, initiation. The initiation, the phase may mark the beginning of the project. The project objectives, goals are identified, and feasibility and visibility of the project are assessed. This phase involve conducting primary analysis, defining a project scope, identifying a key stakeholders, creating a project. It includes creating the project schedule, identifying and allocation resources, estimating cost, defining project deliverables, determine overall approach, risk management task, communication plan. See, this is the planning. See, this is overall is the project planning. Just look it here in the project planning. Just look it here. This is the project planning. See, next execution. Project team carries out the activities defined in the project plan, monitoring and control the project health, manage the risk, address issues, and make necessary adjustment to keep the project on track. Regular status reports and project meeting are conducted to keep stakeholder informed. The closer phase signifies the end of the project. See here, the project management life cycle. Management life cycle: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closure. See, the project management life cycle general. First, you have look at here. Initiation. What is meaning by initiation? First, look at here. Initiation. Hmm.